Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Agnes Colera, your Las Vegas Realtor from Century 21 Americana. Today's video we're going to feature one of the model homes in Heartland Summit at Tule Spring of North Las Vegas. And we are going to feature the 3765 two-story home, 6-bedroom, 4-bath, and 3-car garage. Let's go inside and check this house, you guys. So welcome to 3765 land. As soon as you get to the door, you will see the video doorbell, keyless entry, and you will be greeted by this nice open layout area. This side right here, this is bedroom. They staged this as an office, but there is a walk-in closet inside. Let's go check this room. I think this is the 3-car garage, but this is locked, so I cannot show you guys. There is a storage area here. This is a coat closet. It's neat. This side right here, this is your dining area. Love the table. Just look at your living room, you guys. There's tons of space over here to entertain. Imagine yourself in this coming holiday inside this house. Right this side, this is your modern kitchen. Love the island here. The stainless steel appliances. Refrigerator is not included when you purchase the house. This is part of the option. Love this stove top right here. This backsplash. Let's see these cabinets. These are soft close. They are soft close. Also a built-in microwave right here and a built-in oven. Tons of space right here. Dishwasher. Now let's go check your walk-in pantry. A decent size. Okay, you guys, I'm going to show you the in-law suite, but before that we'll check this linen closet here outside. There is a guest bathroom too on the first floor, and this is your in-law suite right here. There is a laundry area. Washer and dryer is not included. So this is the in-law suite right here. This is the kitchen area. No stove. Refrigerator. This is the living room. There is a separate door here. This is the bathroom. Decent size bedroom and a walk-in closet. Okay, now let's go check the upstairs bedroom. Okay, you guys, let's go check the second floor. I'm gonna show you the rest of the house. Again, there is a 6-bedroom in this house. As soon as you walk in, you will see this loft area here. Tons of space. Love this window. It's bringing natural light in. From here, you can see the view of your community. I'm going to show you guys the primary bedroom. Let's look at the amount of space in this room. Tons of space. Now let's go check your primary bath. Love this separate vanity. Right here, his and hers vanity. Separate walk-in shower and a bathtub. And this one right here is your walk-in closet. There is tons of space in this room. Water closet on this side. And there is a linen closet inside the bathroom. Okay, you guys, I'm going to show you the rest of the bedrooms. Right here, this is the laundry area. There is a space if you wanna add a sink, but washer and dryer is not included. This is part of the upgrade. Okay, bathroom right here, dual sink vanity, tub and shower combo. Another room over here. And this is a standard closet. First, secondary bedroom. There's another one here. It's also a decent size. With the standard closet. Third bedroom here. And there is a walk-in closet on this side. Again, you guys, this is a 3765. Linen closet here. Again, this is a 3765. Starting price is $691. If you are interested of owning one of the home in Heartland Summit, you can reach out to me at 310-848-5693. And let me show you guys the backyard. Just look at the amount of space over here in your backyard. Again, this is already landscape, but normally when you purchase a house, it comes with a dirt lot. Side area over here with your AC. Okay, you guys, let me know what you think about this house. And if you have not subscribed to my video, please hit subscribe, like, and share. And thank you for watching.